Okay, so we've taken the opened the airbox up, taken the intake pipe off the front of the turbo, and there's no muddy, dirty water in there. So that's a good sign. That's definitely a good start. Means that the engine probably hasn't been hydraulicked. Still has either suffered a chronic death from an oil pump failure or some reason there's a bearing turned over or whatever in the engine. It's full of oil. Oil does look terrible. Might change the oil. I don't think this tick's going away though, it's way too loud. But I want to pull the engine down anyway, so let's change the oil for the sake of a few bucks.